Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel today. I hope you're doing well. So as you can tell from the title, today's video is about comparing two mascaras. One of them is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, which has been quite popular for a while now, and the other one is still quite new L'Oreal Unlimited mascara. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, then you might have noticed that this is not the first time I'm uploading this video. I actually compared these two about 2 months ago. It was one of my first videos on my channel and it got quite popular, to be honest. It was my most popular video, and for that exact reason I decided to refilm it for you guys, because I personally wasn't happy with the quality of it. I felt like you couldn't really see how both mascaras perform on my eyes, so I just wanted to refilm it on this Canon 80D camera instead of my mobile phone, and I wanted to be able to really show you how they look compared to each other. Now, as you can see, I have absolutely nothing on my eyes because I feel like a mascara comparison is only fair if you can really see the product on its own. So I didn't want to come here with a full eye makeup on, and that's just gonna distract you and stop you from seeing how the mascara itself really performs. So we're just gonna jump right into it. So the L'Oreal Lash Paradise came out quite a long ago now, and it is actually a supposed dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which I also do have, by the way. So next time I'm back with the mascara comparison, I'm actually gonna be comparing this one to the Too Faced one. This is a mascara with quite large natural bristles, and it's meant to elongate your lashes. It retails for £12 in the UK, which I think is quite expensive for a drugstore mascara, especially when you consider that around £19–20 you can get high-end ones. And the Unlimited mascara, the brush looks like this. It's a rubber brush, which I do really like. So this one, the Unlimited mascara, retails for £11, so it's £1 cheaper. It's not really a big difference. But as far as I can see from the reviews, the Lash Paradise one is getting 4-star reviews and the Unlimited one is getting 5-star reviews, which is quite interesting considering that the Lash Paradise has been a cult favorite for a while now, and people actually say that it's better than the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So I'm gonna, seeing how I always do the cheaper makeup on this side, and this one is, even if it's £1, it is still cheaper. I'm gonna use this mascara on this side of the face, and then I'm gonna use the Lash Paradise on this side of the face, and we're just gonna see how they look. I'm gonna need to use my mirror whilst I'm applying, but when I'm done applying it, I'm gonna come closer and show you both really close. So I'm gonna start, I normally do 2 coats. I'm gonna start with the first coat, and I'm gonna start with the Unlimited one. It's like I said, it's not a first impression on either of them, because I had the Lash Paradise, I think I finished like 4 tubes so far of that one, and I had this Unlimited one for about 2 months now. It was a first impression when I did my original review, but I've been using it ever since and I find it quite nice. I think what I like the most about it is the brush itself and the fact that the product is not so dry. That's for me, that's the big downfall of the Lash Paradise one, that the first time you open the tube it's beautiful, but it dries out really quickly and starts getting very clumpy. Now this might be a bit unfair review in that sense, because I did just purchase the Lash Paradise again for this review. I have been using the unlimited one, so my unlimited one is 2 months old now, and my Lash Paradise is brand new, so I will try to keep that in mind when I tell you my opinion. I do like them both, but none of them is perfect. So that is one coat using the unlimited one. And I'm gonna go on and do one coat with the Lash Paradise. Again, as I said, this is a brand new tube, so I know already that it's gonna look amazing. One more negative thing I need to mention about this mascara is the wand. So the wand is really helping your lashes curl, I understand that, but because it's so big you get mascara everywhere, so I keep getting mascara on my eyes now. I don't know if you can see, and that is quite an annoying thing, because imagine if you have some really crazy good artistic editorial eyeshadow look and you accidentally touch it with this mascara wand. So yeah, as you can see, I did get some mascara on my eyelid. It's not a big deal right now because I don't wear any eyeshadow right now, but I still do think that that's a downfall to it. Now if you look at my two eyes, you can definitely see the Lash Paradise one is more open, and the unlimited one is almost like, I'm not saying it is weighted down, but it doesn't hold up my lashes. It doesn't have that curling effect to it. So I'm gonna go back with a second coat just because I always do that. I never use the option to bend the handle. I just don't think it's necessary. I'm gonna do a second coat on the Lash Paradise. I feel like the Lash Paradise one almost makes your lashes feathery. Okay, so that is 2 coats on both eyes. Yeah, so I definitely feel like the Lash Paradise is really nice and feminine. It really curls your lashes and it's just really flattering. I do feel like on this eye my lashes looking a bit more sad, not as flattering and feminine. But yeah, basically that's my comparison of these two. I think they are both very different and they both have pros and cons, so you will just have to decide what is more important for you. I've heard everyone really liking this unlimited mascara, for the reason that the brush is rubbery and flexible and it's really easy to work with and it doesn't dry out. The Lash Paradise one does dry out and it does get really clumpy on your eyes. You can add some contact lenses solution, the one that you keep your contact lenses in. When it dries out, you can just add some into the tube and that's gonna revive it a little. And basically that's how I've been using it, because otherwise it would land in the bin after a very short period of time. But if you can manage with this brush and if you can handle the clumpiness and if you can add some of this contact lenses solution to it when it dries out, then it's a really beautiful mascara. I feel like there is no perfect mascara because we all have different lashes and we all try to achieve the same thing with very different lashes. Basically, we all need different mascara to achieve that. And these two mascaras are for very different needs. But I feel like for a drugstore mascara, they're both amazing on their own way. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found that this version of this video was an improvement compared to the last one, because that is the reason I decided to refilm it, because I wanted to make it better for you guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.